So this training is all about how you can edit a movie using your Android phone. So I think this is the conclusion part of the training. I was trying to get background to put at the end of the movie where I can be able to like put text on top. Okay, so and I went through this text and I discovered it, but I didn't like it, so I have to like change it. Okay, I deleted it and I have to look for another one, and I saw one that I like that looks like Matrix. So I took that particular one that looked like Matrix and I send it over. Then it's iCache. Okay, it's iCache. So what happened next? I have to look for text to fit into it because this particular place I wanted to do the ending of it. So the next thing I went is to look for text, okay, where I can be able to put the best text to put for the end, the title of the movie. So I sought to the title, and they have fine title. Okay, this app has fine title more than CapCut. Although CapCut has some good title, but this one is totally free. Okay, totally free. You don't need internet to access it. Like now, my internet is off. Okay, my internet is not on. So in CapCut, you need internet to access anything that you want to access. So I was just sorting through the whole stuff to see the kind of text that will match the movie that I'm editing. So and I saw this, and this looks so nice. Okay, autumn font, it looks so nice. It's like a movie font. So I decided to use it because that is what I was looking for. Okay, so if you want to learn how to edit movie using your phone, okay, please leave it in the comment section below because I will do it to get you the link. I will also have a training. Okay, this is a training, a full-blown training on how you can edit a movie. It starts from the AI process, how you can generate your AI professionally, not using ChatGPT. Okay, I will teach you how you can write your own script using your phone. Okay, then but we have this dedicated course for just film editing using your phone. Okay, so I saw this text and I love it, which is The Warriors Love. That was the title of this particular movie that I'm editing right now using my Android, using my iPhone, not my Android phone, right? I'm not using my laptop, so it's possible. It's possible that you can do so many great things using your Android phone or your iPhone. Okay, so this app is so nice. I think it's better in terms of free version than CapCut. Okay, so having gotten the text, I have to like play back the movie to see what the movie is entails. So you see, there is a good ending from there to the ending. Then I decided to add the transition to the movie, and this transition is I think I like this. I think I use a light. Okay, light is just to flash the light from one to another. Wow, that is fantastic. So I saw that and I like it. Okay, and even this voice note that I'm doing right now is still from the app. The app has voice note. You're not paying one dime for it. It's not on subscription. Okay, it is free, totally free, that you can use it to edit. You don't need CapCut. It's not an InShot. Okay, so if you want to know the name of this app, please leave in the comment section below. Tell me that I want to know the name of the app, and I'm going to tell you the name of the app. Okay, I'm going to reply you giving the name of the app. Then if you still want a training, full training on editing with your phone, please also leave in the comment section below that you want to learn how to edit using your phone, either your iPhone or your Android phone. Every principles goes the same. Okay, because editing is not just you using software, is all about you understanding the act. That is why I can be able to use any software. I use Final Cut, I use Premiere Pro, I use DaVinci Resolve. Any software that comes out today, I use them. I use CapCut as well. CapCut on my laptop, I use CapCut on my system, and I use CapCut on my phone as well. But for this CapCut, you need the internet, okay, to be able to access their text. Okay, so after doing that, I have to play the movie from beginning so that I can see the movie. Okay, like I was saying, CapCut is not free without
I have
internet. Okay, without internet, CapCut is not free. So I was just doing some other adjustment in this movie, like you're seeing now. I was working on it and getting it. I still put
I
the
have faced
information here.
storms and spears,
Okay,
but nothing shakes me
so
like your eyes. You speak like a man.
so you hear they just speak one or two the dialogue scene. So this is a professional dialogue scene, and then I wanted to add the watermark to this particular scene. Okay, the watermark is what nowadays people like to steal content on YouTube. So you have to put your watermark, even though YouTube frown at that. But watermark is very essential in order for you to protect your creative ability or your creative content because you use your brain to create it. For me, I was working on this AI movie all to the night. I did not sleep all to the night. I was just working on it, make sure that I got it right. Okay, because AI stuff you have to take your time and build it. It's not something that you just put prompt and you leave. No, professionally, I know about movie. I'm a movie director, and at the same time I'm a writer, so I know what I want. Okay, so you have to spend your time a lot and put it there. Then after that you have to come to edit using your phone. You know how stressful it is, and then someone is stealing your content. Okay, somebody take it and put it on social media without accrediting you or without giving you the credit. So that is why our advice when you're doing a movie, put watermark. If you know the person, somebody take it and put it on TikTok, the watermark is there, so you will drive traffic to you. Okay, that is why it's essential that you put watermark. So I put the watermark, and then I think I had, for now it's too big and it's, you can see pronounced, but then I decided to add opacity to reduce it. Opacity is like transparency. Okay, to make sure that your text is transparent, your text is not covering the whole screen. Okay, because people want to watch, so I have to reduce opacity to around 39. Okay, I first of all reduced to 40 and it was still in the face, so I have to reduce it to 39. Then I still have to reduce the size of the text so that at least people can be able to enjoy the story as well. Well, this story is not yet finished. Okay, so we're still building it. Is a series, it's a action, it's an action movie that has to do with love and whatsoever. Okay, so let me not tell you that you're not going to steal the story. Okay, I will not tell you the story, so just leave it that way. So it's my concept, it's my idea. Okay, so everything comes from me. I was building this for Reboot Studio.
I have
If
faced
you want to know
storms and
more,
spears,
please
but nothing
follow
shakes me
Reboot
like your
Studio
eyes. You speak
at
like a man who has already chosen
Facebook,
his
and
path,
also subscribe to
and it
Reboot
leads to you.
Studio on
Come
YouTube.
home with
Thank
me,
you.
be my
So
peace after every battle. And if I say yes, will you lay down your sword for me?
visited or want, we're dropping movies on Weibo Studio back to back. Okay, we're not going to give a break. Okay, so this is a wonderful movie. Just watch out for the movie because it will keep you sitting all through. It's a series. Okay, it's a series, not just one thing. And to build this series, it's going to take us time to work with the script that we are writing, and then each scenes must have certain action. We want a situation whereby our audience will be able to watch and stay and long for more. Okay, so this is a very wonderful story that nobody should miss. So at this time I was looking for a bar, but I couldn't see that bar. Okay, I wanted to put a theme bar, which I will do, and you do that by using other apps. Okay, to do it, which definitely I will use other app to do it, then send to my phone. Then we put the bar there to, I will show you how to, you can put that thin bar, that you have black bar up, black bar up, down, or you can put white bar up, white bar down. There are many ways you can do it. At this moment I was scaling it out because sometimes the AI tool that we use, they might put watermark in the video, so you can scale it out. Sometimes we scale it out just because we want the emotion to be thicker, people to see it, and when it's closer to their face they feel the movie, but when it's not closer to their face they are distance from it. That is why we have different type of shots. The long shot make the actors to be distanced from the audience and there is no emotional attachment to it. But when the actor is closer, like in this shot, this is a medium shot. Okay, a two-way, sorry, this is a CU. Okay, a two shot CU, and you see that it's kind of close but it's not talking to the audience in terms of the emotional. But when you see the guest shot, when the girl was looking at the camera, you see that It's emotional. It's like it's talking to the audience. Okay, there is a short clip
Leads to
that
you.
we've not put that short. That's why
Come
we're
home with
still
me.
editing it. Okay, we're still working on it. Like this particular scene, you see that he's looking to the camera, so
Come home.
he's connecting with the audience. Okay, so you must understand connectivity with
Come
the
home with me.
audience
Be
as
my.
a filmmaker is not just you just doing a movie and at the end of the day you say, oh, I've shoot a movie. No, where did you connect your audience with your story? That is what will keep your audience sitting. I've seen so many people on the net, they are doing AI and you use one shot to kill the whole story. No, that I when that person do that, I know that that person is not the professional filmmaker. I'm a cinematographer, I'm a script writer, I'm a director, I'm a producer. Okay, so I am also a trainer, I'm an editor. So I've trained people on script writing, on cinematography, on editing. So as a professional Nollywood editor that I've been working for Nollywood for more than over 2 decades now, there are things that we know, and also as a trainer there are things, and also as an author I have a book on editing. If you care to have it, please leave in the comment section below. I will send you the link to the book on editing, and when you get that, it will help you, it will help your knowledge on editing. When you read, you know, okay, this is how editing should be. Editing is not just carry, clip and paste all over. It is something that you create. Editing is all about creativity. It's
I
not
have
just
faced
you see
storms and
editing
spears, but
and you
nothing
paste
shakes me
all
like
your
your eyes.
creativity.
You
Some
speak
people
like a
just take
man who has
AI
already
and see
chosen.
that they don't add value to it. So it brings those lapses that you can't even put your creativity to work.
Me like your eyes.
So if you want to be a good editor, even though you're using your phone, you should be able to also think of the creativity. That is where I teach in my class. I teach editing and software knowledge. Okay, editing knowledge and software knowledge, these are two different things. Okay, one, you must have the editing knowledge, and number two, you must have the software knowledge. Okay, like I told you before, I use DaVinci Resolve, I use Final Cut, I use Premiere Pro, I use CapCut. Any software you bring to me now, I will use them. The reason
I
is
have
because
faced
I come
storms and
from a
spears, but
printer, a
nothing
digital
shakes me like
printer.
your
So
eyes.
You
because
speak like
I
a man
have
who has
a
already chosen
software
his
to
path.
that I'm an editor,
And
I
it
know
leads to you.
craft. I know how
Come
to
home with
paste
me. Be my peace after every battle.
And if I
movie
say
paste.
yes,
Okay,
will you lay down your sword for
so
me?
while you're listening to this movie, you also listen to my voice explain some things to you, and it's going to help you grow. Okay, if you want the full training, okay, of this, or you want the full training where I edit and I was explaining each of the step I take, please leave it in the comment section below and said I want the full training. Okay, and I will send you a link where you can be able to get the full training, and then you learn from it, then go the training on editing. Okay, then if you want the one for AI development as a professional filmmaker, how to create AI as a professional filmmaker, also leave in the comment section below. I will do that as a video to drop on the channel as well, or on TikTok. Anywhere you're watching this from, either TikTok, either YouTube, or either Facebook, please do well to leave in the comment section below. By the way, on all social media, we are Pushon School of Media. Okay, Pushon School of Media, where you go there and learn everything media work. Okay,
And it leads
your
to you.
creativity is very important.
Come home with me. Be my peace after
Than
every
just
battle.
having a
And if I
story.
say yes, will you lay
If
down
your
your
story
sword
is
for
not
me?
creative, there are other people doing it. Okay, they want to see what makes your own story different from every other person's story. That is the creativity. What makes your own AI story different from every other person's story? Is your AI story boring, or is it creative? Okay, is it boring or is it creative? And that is what you want to be able to put in place. Creativity is what people are looking for. People are excelling the space of AI because why? Some of them are more creative than some other persons. Some other persons just take the AI knowledge and just paste it, pam, 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 without even thinking about it. Okay, without even looking at this, or what is the creative input in this thing that I'm doing, or in this movie that I'm doing. Like this movie that you're watching, we're not done with it. Okay, I might drop snippets in maybe the editing process. You listen it, you see that there is no sound, just few sound in it. So we're still working on it. When you see more of this scene, you're going to know that this is more of action movie. It's not more of just love story, because in this studio, which is Reboot Studio, what they do is more of action movie. Okay, so I love you. My name is Uncle Doko. Thank you for staying with me, and thank you for watching to this extent. You know what? Just leave your request, and then I will definitely reach you. I will reply you. I will not fail to reply your comment. See you in other video. God bless you.